Hello, my name is Laveta Hayes, CEO of Living Legacies with Laveta. I am so excited to be shooting this video to apply for the IFundWomen grant. Living Legacies with Laveta inspires and empowers generations of people to create everlasting legacies. We empower community on securing your future by savings, taking action to acquire better quality of life, educate and empower in financial knowledge. We accomplish this by providing free financial workshops every week online. We are here in the community to advise and educate. With this grant, I, Laveta Hayes, will take our company to the next level. Once again, I'm Laveta Hayes, and thank you, IFundWomen, for the opportunity.